So in this video, you'll learn how to find a profitable product to promote from ClickBank.com's marketplace. With that said, we'll actually show you something that's hands-on. So let's go ahead and go to ClickBank.com's marketplace right now. So I'm going to go to Google just to show you what it looks like. If you go to ClickBank.com like this, you can either go to the site directly or you can just search for Google for it. Once you get to the site, you'll find a marketplace link at the top. So let's go ahead and go there right now. So this is what the marketplace looks like. So what the marketplace is, it's a place where thousands of digital products are being placed. And what ClickBank affiliates do is they come to the marketplace to find profitable products that are giving them certain commissions. Now I'm going to show you how you can analyze which product is profitable or which product is not. So the first thing is to keep in mind what you want to promote. Sometimes people promote the hottest things out there, or you can find something that you can relate to, which is actually better. I would recommend that you find something that you enjoy, that you have experience in, because when you do that, when you start creating your blog, you'll actually have more interest in doing that. And you'll have a drive that pushes you and to actually do that. With that said, choose a product that you like, but at the same time, I'll show you how you can choose a profitable product at the same time. Let's go ahead and do a search for a certain product. So I'm debating right now what kind of product I should promote. I'm a dog person. I like training dogs. So I could do that. I could find a dog training ebook, but at the same time, I like to do computer stuff. But with that said, let's not waste any time. Let's do something on dog training. I'm just going to type in the words dog training. I recommend that you put it in quotes, just so that you get that exact keyword. Click on go. And for a while now, the Kingdom of Pets Sit, Stay, and Fetch product has been one of the top products out there. And you can actually see that by looking at the stats here. So ClickBank, what they do is they provide you with stats so that you can choose good products. And that's the great thing about ClickBank is they gather these stats up so that you can promote those products. So they're helping you out in that sense. But at the same time, think about it. If you sell products for them, for these people here, you also allow ClickBank to earn money as well. So it's a three-way win-win-win situation for all of us. So as you can see here, no doubt this one has 138 on the gravity scale. This one has a 26.11 on the gravity scale. And that means that how well that product actually sells. Now, if you don't know what all this jargon really means, I would highly recommend that you just check it out by clicking this link here called Rankings Help. If you click on that link, a pop-up will open here, as you can see. And it describes to you what the earned sale means. It's the average net amount earned per affiliate. So that's the money actually earned by the affiliate. You got future money, total money, earned sale percentage-wise, and percent referral, which is a fraction of the publisher's total sales that are referred by affiliates. So let's say that the referred rate is 75% or even 100%. That means that a lot of affiliates are promoting that product, and a lot of the sales from the publisher are from affiliates, which is a good thing. And as you can see, gravity here, it explains that too. It's a number of distinct affiliates who earn a commission by referring a paying customer to the publisher's products. So now what the things I look at is I look at the earned sale. I hardly ever look at this earned percentage because if you think about it, if somebody's selling a $9 product or even something less, then and they're giving you 75% of the commission, that's great. If you think you can make a lot of money off of that, that's great. But what I do is I try to look at the earned sale more so, and I look at products that provide you at least $17 or $15 or even $20 or more. So it doesn't mean that a $9 product wouldn't sell as good as a $50 product, because some $9 products would sell rapidly, extremely fast. So it's a trade-off. You have to figure out what you're looking at and what is the balance. So with that said, let's go back to the marketplace here. Now the trick is not to just look at the stats. The trick is to look at the sales page, because that, once you get the person over to the sales page from your review, if the sales page is not good at all, if it's bad graphics, not professional sales copy, if the headline doesn't grab you, if it doesn't have features, if it doesn't have testimonials, because testimonials, in fact, help convert a lot of sales. If it's not convincing enough, act like the customer. If you're not convinced, then how's the customer going to be convinced? With that said, let's go ahead and go to this specific sales letter. Just click on it and it'll open up in a new window. And as we can see, within a few seconds on a DSL modem, which is what I'm running right now, it's pretty slow compared to cable modems. But with that, it loaded very quickly, because you got to remember there are people out there with dial-up modems. So it's got to run fast for dial-up modem people and slow DSL people, because not everybody has a super fast cable modem. So that's one thing to test first. Second thing to test is, does this grab you? The first thing you see is the top of the page. The header, or the graphics looking good, which looks good here. Is the headline grabbing you? The subheadline, it says Dog Obedience Training Secrets to Stop Your Dog's Behavior Problems. Put an end to stress. So you have a problem here and you have a solution. The solution, of course, is going to be that product. So read through here. And of course, the typical sales letter is going to have problems. It's going to ask questions. Sort of an intro as to why you should believe this person. And as you can see, Daniel Stevens is a professional trainer, and he tells you why you should believe in him. See, he states facts. Facts are a great way of selling. 58,287 dog owners worldwide have used this method. And he also provides a 6-day course. The question many people have is, okay, well, if somebody signs up for this course through my affiliate link, if they come back, will I get the credit? It depends. Most of the time, yes, you will. Because what ClickBank actually sets a cookie, which is basically, in less technical jargon terms, a file. And that file is sitting on that person's computer. So if they visit the site a few weeks later and they purchase the product and the cookie's still on their computer, then you get the credit. But it's always a good thing to check. Fill in your name and your email just to check. Go to the link, make sure that your ClickBank affiliate link is still there. How do you check? What you do is you go to your affiliate link, you sign up with your name, your email address, get the free course, go to your email, click that link, and go to the order button, go all the way to the bottom, and you'll actually see your affiliate link. If you see it there, then great, you can promote the product. And as we're looking through the sales page, we can see success stories, which is great. We can see video success stories where it's believable. He's actually showing videos that actually show people training their dogs. And it looks like most of the sales pages is actually made up of success stories, which most people would probably be sold by the time they reach this point, which is more than fantastic compared to most sales letters. And then he starts saying, okay, what do you get? Here's a sample of what you'll learn. And I can see this by most sales letters. Some sales letters you can get sold at the top. Some sales letters you can get sold, as you can see my scroller here, in the middle. Or some people, what they do is they just look at the headline, they go to bottom, the price range, and see what they get, and go back and read from there. So as I can see here, this sales page is definitely a good conversion. So what I can do is promote it. And how do I do that? The first thing you need is you need to have a ClickBank affiliate ID. If you don't have one, what you can do is you can go to clickbank.com, scroll down here and just click the Become an Affiliate Click Here button. Once you do that, just click on Sign Up Now, fill in your details, your name, your PO box, and all that, and right here is your nickname. So I'll use my affiliate ID. So whatever you choose is going to be your affiliate ID. With that said, let's go back to the marketplace. It says create hop link. Just click that link and it makes life so much easier. You just enter your ClickBank nickname, click on create, and you can do a tracking ID. It's optional too if you want. And by default, what ClickBank does is it puts your affiliate ID here, then it puts the vendor ID .hop.clickbank.net. So once you do that, I would just recommend that you highlight that, right click and copy. And you can see that ClickBank pays 75% of this publisher's product, which is great. So the average sale is about $29. That's above the $20 mark for my range, and that's great. That said, let's go ahead and move on. So if we go back here, we've shown you how to find a profitable product to promote. We've chosen the product, we've looked at the sales page, we've looked at the graphics, which is something you need to ask yourself when you're going through the sales page. The good headline, good testimonials, it's a good conversion, and we can see that by looking at ClickBank stats. But at the same time, when I say look at the ClickBank stats, that's a good thing, but you always want to check it out for yourself. So with that said, we found our ClickBank affiliate ID. So let's go ahead and move to video 3, where I'll be talking about how you can create a domain name and how to take this link here and add it to that domain name, so when people go to www.somethingdogtraining.com, they get forwarded to this affiliate link. And at the same time, what we're doing is we're cloaking your link to protect it so that people just can't see it right away. Because most people don't realize this, but people can steal your commissions only if they have this affiliate link. If they get to the site, for example, let's go here, and I go to my affiliate link here, and what you'll be getting is that link redirects to this link. So it has my affiliate ID in there, but most people don't realize this, but the cookie is already set, which means nobody can just change this affiliate link at the top and click enter and steal my commissions. They can't do that. What they have to do is they have to recreate this link right here and enter it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how they steal your commission, not by changing this link up here. So that's a good thing to note before you get started. With that said, let's go ahead and move to video 3.